Hey beautiful people, so I am back with a little unboxing video. So I received this here, well, I purchased this clip-ins from Hergivenhair. I just actually picked it up from DHL. So what comes in my little packet is the Hergivenhair pamphlet, and I think with this pamphlet it just basically comes with all the instructions of how to care the hair and everything, washing instructions. They were kind enough to also include a burriti oil deep conditioner. It's kind of like a smooth moist, I think it's like a conditioner, but I did receive 4 packets of these, so that's really super good. So now we're on to the star of the show, and this is the Coily Clipins. I did purchase the full Glam set for their Black Friday. Well, I bought it pre-Black Friday, so it's if you had like a group buying sale that they had on their site. So if 700 people signed up, then we automatically got the full set for $118 US, which the 14-inch was coming from $169, so that was a super saver. So in the little plastic bag I did receive some extra clips and also instructions with what type of hair I got. So the description of the hair, I don't know if you guys can see there. So you know, Coily, the order number, clip-ins, and it's a 14-inch. It's 175 grams. So let me take that out properly for you guys. It's taking forever. So yeah. So focus. Okay, so it's 175 grams in weight, and it's the natural hair color is natural, and that was the product code. So that's the code that I would enter when I was trying to get it for the $118, which I'm super happy for that. And these are the extra clips that I also got for the clip-ins, and this is the star of the show. Like, I love it. I just could not wait. I did purchase the U-part wig, and I have to say that it matched my natural curl pattern like amazing. So I'm gonna go in, probably gonna do a little video of me installing these clip-ins when I'm ready to wear them. I won't wear them now because it's the Christmas season that's coming up, so you know I gotta wear my wigs to look glam. But I just wanted to do this unboxing for you guys, and I love it. Technically on the website it should come with 10 pieces, so I think you get 4 clip-ins with 5 clips, two clip-ins with 5 clips, you get 2 with 4, and I think you get 3 with 3 clip-ins, and then the rest was like with 2 clips, so something to that effect. But so far, super loving it. If you guys probably saw that sale and got a catch on this, I know that you guys must be super happy for that, because this was a super extreme deal. So love this, and yeah, I'll be back when I'm installing the video. So until next time, love you guys.